Welcome to VirtualMasst. VirtualMasst is a new platform in Belgium that facilitates connection between hiring companies and freelancers or consultants. So we are pleased to invite hiring companies to register and test the platform so we can refine it and improve any features that may not working properly. So we need your help. We need your feedback and or any discovery that can help us to improve the platform and the way we want it to be used. So another message I want to share is also we've created a GoFundMe campaign as we would like to translate the whole platform into several languages to make it easy for everyone. So the link will be below. Another message also, we have our new YouTube channel, and we will post there any extended version of any video we're going to post on LinkedIn. So yeah, thank you and welcome. And also thank you for your support. GoFundMe is available. The link is available here. Thank you. Bye.